Welcome back to our live show. Companies often have mission statements where they specifically spell out the goals and values they want to achieve. Well, if you struggle with making sound financial decisions in your personal life, well, you may want to consider having a financial mission statement. Why that's a good idea and how to get started, Bryan is here to tell us all about that. Hi, JB.
Hi, Cheryl. That's very well put, because the point is to make things easier for you, especially for your family. If you're making joint financial decisions and you have to decide on, should we take on this new debt, or should we put this on a credit card, or how much can we invest? Well, having a clear financial mission statement, because it's easy when you're single. But when you're trying to make financial decisions together, it's even more important to have a financial mission statement that precedes having the financial plan.
Put it in writing.
Put it in writing. Put it in writing. And sometimes I think of it as a resume. When you do the resume and you have the first thing is your objective. So your financial mission statement is, what do you want to get out of everything that we've talked about here on Virginia this morning? We talk about things, but this is the one where I really want everyone at home to take out that pencil and do it. Do it and start communicating about what is your financial mission. So it's like, first it would be like your what, and then your how, and your what is important to me while I'm doing it. And all of that should be in your statement.
And how you're gonna accomplish these things.
How you're going to accomplish it in the middle. So if your first discussion is, what are our goals? What is the problem, or what is our objective? Then once you decide on, we want to purchase another home, we want a larger home, or we want to get our first home, or we want to pay off our school loan debt. Decide on that is the goal, and then move forward in your statement. Your statement must include how you're going to pay off that school loan debt, or how you're going to increase your savings in your retirement plan. How are you going to do what you've decided is very important to you and your family?
And as you said, this is important for a couple and a family, but it's also important as a single person to write this out for yourself too, so that you know where you want to be, say 5 years down the road.
That's right. And when I write my financial mission statement as a single person, it's easy for me to keep that commitment because I'm the only one that has to keep it. So it's easier.
Easy is relative.
But once you increase the commitment, and you're saying that both of us have to agree, or all of us have to agree on this, because I argue that you have to also allow your children to see this, so that whatever the financial challenge that you're facing, it doesn't become a generational challenge. Because as we talked one time, that bad financial habits can be inherited.
And a lot of times parents don't talk to children, even adult children, about finances. It's very secretive.
They're very secretive, and that is a problem. So the key to that financial mission statement is that it could really go across generations. So, and it cannot be a secret that makes it totally irrelevant.
Right, so what makes the most effective financial mission statement? What do we have to have in there?
Thank you for mentioning that, because I think the key part is it must be motivational.
Okay.
So if I say,
and positive.
It must be. It doesn't have to really be positive, but you're right. The motivation should be to encourage and simple. It should be simple, clear. Motivational is a key, that it's telling you, I want to become debt-free because it will allow me to have a better lifestyle. In order to do that, I am going to take on a second job, but add in your values. But in doing this, we still must make sure that we still have our quality family time. Or in paying down these debts, we still want to make sure that we don't become cheapskates, and that we are not taking care of things that are important to us, like traveling sometime or taking a vacation every now and then. But include your values. For me, I had to include in my financial mission statement a commitment to my health. That I had to make sure, because I enjoy working so much, that I had to say that I'm going to work, but I want my family, my daughter, to be important and spend time, and also take care of my health along the way. So include your values.
All right, and on that note, we will say thank you, JB, and thank you all for watching. JB offers free money seminars and webinars every Wednesday and Sunday evening. All are welcome, but you do have to pre-register. We'll put information on all of our guests at WTVR.com/VTN.